Having the right tools in place is a fundamental part of setting your team up for success, and that's our passion here at SeedSpark. We ensure that you have a tool designed around the way that your team works, tackling the challenges that you face each day to make sure your team is hitting peak productivity and achieving the most that they can each and every week. There are 3 simple steps to our process for SeedSpark Marketplace. Number 1, explore solutions for each branch of your business. Number 2, build a wish list that is right for you. And number 3, you start shaping your future. Our marketplace currently has 4 categories: project management, financial management, integrations and reporting, and employee and material management. If you're having trouble with your project management, we'll help handle every element of every project, cutting the clutter from your daily workflow and gaining insight into each project's financial status and steps to completion that are left. Whether it's the project management module, scheduling, estimating, or change order management, our team has solutions for each and every challenge that you may be facing. Maybe financial management could be your pain point. We can help tackle that as well. You can manage your team's finances with ease with any of the modules from our financial management category. Our team also specializes in integrations and reporting. You can monitor, manage, and guide your team into the future using the power of data with Microsoft integrations as well. With Outlook calendar integration, Microsoft Power BI integration, QuickBooks, and more, we have plenty of opportunities to improve the work that you do each day. And finally, we have employee and material management. You can manage and track your company's most valuable resources each and every day, no matter where you might be. From equipment tracking to compliance and qualifications tracking to time clocking and inventory management, there is never a time where you'll be out of the loop again. As you're exploring the marketplace and you find new opportunities to improve the way you work, simply add them to your list and they'll all be collected here in your wish list. Here you can review your selections, make some changes if you'd like, and even learn more about each individual point. But once you're satisfied with your selection, simply fill out your information and a member of our team will be in touch shortly to talk more about what a custom application could look like for you.